Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in a relationship and constantly juggling shared expenses like rent, groceries, or date nights, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into how to use Honeydue, a super user-friendly app designed specifically for couples to manage and split finances without the awkward conversations. Let's get right into it. First off, what is Honeydue? It's a free app that acts as your digital wallet for shared money matters, helping you track expenses, split bills fairly, and keep everything transparent. If you've ever argued over who owes what, this could be a game changer. To start, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and download Honeydue for free. Once it's installed, create an account using your email or phone number. Don't forget to invite your partner. They'll need to sign up and accept your invitation to link accounts. This creates a shared space where both of you can see the same info. Now, adding expenses is straightforward. Open the app and tap the Add Expense button. Enter the details like the total amount, a description, e.g., dinner out, and who paid initially. Honeydue even lets you categorize it, such as food or utilities, to keep things organized. Next, splitting the expense is where the magic happens. You can choose to split it equally or go custom, like 60-40 if one person earned more that month. The app does the math for you, so no calculators needed. After that, check out the dashboard to review everything. It gives a clear overview of who's owed what, with handy charts and notifications to keep you both in the loop. When it's time to settle up, Honeydue can suggest payment options or even integrate with your bank app. In conclusion, Honeydue makes sharing expenses stress-free and fair, strengthening your relationship one bill at a time. Give it a try today. Your wallet and your partner will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more life hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.